In this video, I will show you how to lock the Messages app on Mac with a password, and how to automatically relock it after a period of inactivity or when you are away from your Mac. The tool I use is Cisdem AppCrypt. When you open AppCrypt for the first time, set a password as prompted and select the Launch at System Startup option. Then, click the tool's icon in the menu bar and choose Open Main Window. A password is required to access the main window. You will see that 3 apps are added to the app lock list by default. I recommend keeping them locked. Now, click the large Add button to add the Messages app. Alternatively, you can add apps by drag and drop. Add other private apps to protect if needed. Now, let's verify the lock. As you can see, there is a lock screen. You can easily unlock Messages by entering the password. What happens if an incorrect password is entered? Messages will remain locked. In addition, AppCrypt will record the failed attempt. If the photo capture option is enabled, it can even take a photo of the person trying to access the app. Your Messages app is safely protected because a password is required to quit or uninstall AppCrypt or change its settings. You can also add an extra layer of protection by enabling the auto relock feature. Messages will automatically be relocked after being inactive for a period of time, or when you are away from your Mac. AppCrypt works with schedules. Under the default schedule, your Messages app will stay locked at all times. However, you can customize the schedule if needed, although I recommend keeping Messages locked 24/7. For apps like games, you can schedule locking to turn on only during certain hours, such as work or study time. In addition, AppCrypt allows you to block websites, keywords, and website categories. Cisdem AppCrypt is easy to use and versatile. It can help you protect your privacy, improve productivity by blocking distractions, and apply parental controls. You can find the official free trial download link in the description below.